Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Tanvi and I create content related to beauty and makeup. And in today's video, I will be sharing with you my yearly favorites. I have never done a monthly favorite also on my channel, but I thought like for this 2020, I will make a yearly favorite video. Like this will be, dedicated to makeup, but still it will be a long video. So I will create a skincare and hair care products related like yearly favorite video separately, so like it will be a part 2 of this video. If you guys want to know what were my favorites for 2020, then keep on watching. This video contains like all the makeup products. Skincare will be in a different video. So let's start with the primers. I have two favorites with me. One is this Benefit Ka Pore Professional primer and second one is this Lakme's Absolute Blur primer. These two primers are like absolutely stunning, flawless. It gets blended into the skin so seamlessly and fills the pore, giving a very smooth canvas to apply makeup on. So yes, like these two primers are my favorite for this year 2020. Now coming on to the foundation. Again, for foundation I have two foundations like that I swear by. Like first one is this MAC Studio Fix foundation and second one is this Faces Canada's foundation. Like I love these two foundation like anything. It's about to get over, so I'm planning to buy a new one. Like it's very thick in consistency as my skin is very dry, so that this keep my skin hydrated. It blends seamlessly like beautifully in my skin, and like the shade is so perfect for me. That is what I like the best about it. And like it is such a beautiful foundation. I guess I don't have to talk much about MAC products. And then second one is this Faces Canada's foundation. This is again my absolute favorite for this year because like I think for many years to come. And again, this one is like not just for 2020, like for many years I have been using MAC foundations. I love them. And like the best thing about this foundation, I like it's so dewy. Like as I said, I have dry skin, so I want the foundation like though that they give me like dewy and glowing finish. So I get that with these two foundations. One thing like little less about this foundation, it is like glass packaging, so it's not that travel friendly. So if I want to travel, I can take it with me. Like it's not that big because I can fit it in my palm, but like this is glass, so it might break and ruin all the things which will be there in that pouch. So I'm little scared to take, like if I'm traveling, I'm little scared to take this foundation. Next, coming on to the concealers. Like I guess this video will be a bit long because I'm talking about yearly favorites and उसमें थोड़े से products तो रहेंगे. So like grab whatever you want to have and like snacks and anything, and we'll talk about the products. My next absolute favorite, like you might have guessed it by now, I have like two recommendations for that. Like one is LA Girl and second one is Maybelline. I have two concealers with me right now for LA Girl, and pata nahi how many tubes I have like used for this one. So this is my go-to concealer. I cannot live without this one. Like this has become my need because I cannot survive without this one. I need to have this in my backup. I have already ordered one more because I get little freaky and gaga about that, like if I don't have the product. So yeah, like this is, so yes, not that heavy of a coverage this gives, like, but it covers my dark circles, which is best. I can use it daily. Like if I'm stepping out and I don't want to put that much makeup, I just put this concealer and I'm sorted. Again, the second I recently started using it, but again it became my favorite and that came out wrong. So that will not be a surprise for a Maybelline product. Like they make flawless products. I don't know, again I will say, I don't know how they do it, how they make such amazing products at such cost effective I don't know. So this is again, this is such a beautiful concealer. It blends smoothly into the skin. It's little bit heavy, gives you a more full coverage as compared to LA Girl. Coming on to the face powder, I will like quickly talk about all the powders and like move on to next one. So for face powders, I have these three with me. So first one I will talk about is Maybelline Fit Me loose powder. My shade is medium one. I guess this is a cult favorite. Everyone must be owning this, and like everyone must be loving this powder. Like I don't have to talk much about this one. Second one is MAC Studio Fix powder. Like it is a compact powder, so this kind of works as a foundation as well, like this. So like if you take your damp sponge and like apply it on your skin, like then also it gives you, oops, then again it also like it comes with the applicator as well, which I have not used yet. So yeah, so I love this one again. And my another product, another face powder is Faces Canada face powder. Like it comes with a sponge, so directly dab it on your skin and then you are sorted. I really love Faces Canada's products. I think they are so underrated. I don't know why, but I really love their products. Like they are super amazing. Okay, next category, coming on to the face palettes, eyeshadow face palette or something. This is Profusion Pro Face Palette. Like I cannot begin to talk about this product. Like this is such a steal deal. If out of all the like products which I'm mentioning in this video, if I have to tell you about one product that you go blindly for, is this Pro Face Palette. Like it has so many things inside it. I have used and abused this palette like how I cannot tell you guys. So like look at the halat of this palette. क्या हाल कर रखा है मैंने इसके अंदर. And what not you are getting in this palette, you are getting your concealer for your eye, primer for your eyes, eyebrow product, your concealer, your highlighter, again so many eyeshadow shades. It has like so many mattes as well as shimmery shades. It has little bit of colors, magenta, yellow, red, orange, burnt orange kind of colors, red, nudes, black. So you can create so many looks out of this palette. Again, you have so many blush shades, contour, highlighter, anything you want is there in this palette. So and there are two brushes as well. One is this one, like you can use it to apply your contour, your bronzer, your blush, your highlighter. This one brush will like save it for you. You don't have to invest in 100 brushes. Like this one brush will also do, and one more brush is also there that works as a good eye brush. So again, like if you don't want to spend that much, it is a 32-piece professional face kit. I think I have spoken like about one palette product a lot, so I will like move on to next one. But yes, I think you are getting me. Like link for everything will be there in the description box. Coming on to the second eyeshadow palette, that is, I guess you guys must have guessed it by now, this is Huda Beauty eyeshadow palette. And like Huda Beauty का eyeshadow palette own करना was kind of my dream. So this is what the eyeshadow palette looks like. It has gorgeous shades, guys, like gorgeous shades. Like I'm planning to buy more of Huda Beauty's palettes. So yeah, this is my eyeshadow palette. One more face palette I have is this Rimmel's face palette. It has contour, blush and highlight into this one. It's size of my palm. It's so travel friendly. So if you have one palette, and then you can just put it in your purse and you are sorted, because like you don't have to carry contour, blush and everything separately, and the pigment is so nice. It's such a beautiful product. On to the separate blushes, like which I will recommend these two. One is Sugar's blush. Like I use it to, you know, do my eyeshadow as well. Like this is such a beautiful shade. It's pink pinnacle. Yeah. And second one is this Diamond Dust diamond blush on. This is Blue Heavens blush. So like after looking at it, you will feel like it's very pigmented, it will give you clown cheek, but that's not the case. It blends so beautifully into your skin without giving it a very, you know, dark look. So I absolutely love this one. Blue Heaven के भी products, कुछ products are really very amazing. So for my highlighter, I have only one product, that is Maybelline Master Chrome Highlighter. Oh, how much I have abused this highlighter, I cannot tell you guys. Like I use it left and right without thinking. कुछ नहीं है, बस आई शेडो अप्लाई, वो सॉरी हाइलाइटर अप्लाई कर लिया, आईलेट पे अप्लाई कर लिया, लिप्स पे अप्लाई कर लिया, यहाँ अप्लाई कर लिया, मतलब हर जगह आई यूज दिस हाइलाइटर. लाइक again one of the product which I cannot survive without, I guess. Like this is amazing. So next item for this yearly favorites 2020 is like I will go for the eyebrow product, and for this also I have only one product. This is Flower Beauty's eyebrow pencil. Like at one end it has a pencil like that, and at the other end it has a spoolie, so you don't have to carry a spoolie like separately with you. That's why it's so travel friendly as well. Like I love this, love that about this product. And the pigmentation is, everything is so nice. Can you see my eyebrows? I have done that using this pencil, and trust me, as a beginner, have it, grab it. Trust me, it will change your eyebrow game like anything. I was such a newbie. I still don't know how to do eyebrows properly, but this saved me n number of times. Like it's so smooth. You can even, you know, make a little small fleeks of hair on your eyebrows like this works that beautifully. It is not that creamy, it's not powdery. It's like a perfect balance. Coming on to the eyeliners, I have 3-4 things to show you, because I'm an eyeliner girl. I love applying eyeliners, different colors of eyeliners. I love playing with eyeliner colors. So yes, so first one I will start with the black eyeliner. So I like this pen kind of eyeliners. Like the tip is so fine and smooth, you can create the sharpest wing eyeliner. And the second one is again Faces Canada's most underrated. I think it's very underrated, but the products are truly very amazing. And then coming on to the Lakme Insta liners, like they are truly amazing, so cost effective. Like I think Lakme killed it with their eyeliners. Amazing. Till me, I have two products, like, but one is traditional black kajal you use. That is this Maybelline Colossal Kajal. Like again, this is one of the product which I cannot live without. I seriously cannot live without this one. Trust me. मैं कुछ भी नहीं कर रही हूँ तब भी I need this kajal. And second one is this Blue Heavens kajal. Like I was so surprised after using this kajal. Like it has become one of my favorites, because like the pigmentation is so amazing. It's so easy to apply. Like I cannot resist and show you. This category is mascaras. For mascaras, I have 3 mascaras with me. First one is Maybelline's mascara. It's Hyper Curl Volume Express Waterproof Mascara. We all know about Maybelline mascara. I don't have to talk much about that one. My second favorite is this Flower Beauty's mascara. Oh, how I love this mascara. It's so beautiful. It like lifts the eyelashes and everything. Like amazing mascara. And my next mascara is this Lakme's one. Like I recently purchased it, but this has become my favorite in short span of time. I loved it. I think I will buy another one because like mascaras का life बहुत short होता है, तो I will buy another one. So, makeup fixer, I have this makeup fixer natural by Swiss Beauty. So this is again a beautiful product by Swiss Beauty. Their products are also very amazing. It sprays and blends like whatever, if you have little bit of fine lines on your skin, like because of bronzing and contouring or blush or anything, so it will melt and marry everything with each other. So beautifully gorgeous product. So guys, last part of this video are lipsticks. So I have so many. It was so difficult for me to pick few. I managed to pick 4 for you guys. So these are the 4 lipsticks I have. First one I will show you. It's a Maybelline Stay Ink Super Stay Matte Ink. So like it's such a gorgeous shade, guys. Beautiful shade. Like I love pinks. Like this is such a beautiful shade. And then again, next is a nude color. This is Huda Beauty Trendsetter. Huda Beauty products are high-end products, but yeah, like amazing products. They have such a beautiful nude shade it is. Another one is like my absolute favorite out of all the lipsticks. I know L18's lipstick. It's Nude Fix, and so many of you have asked me like what is the color. This is such a beautiful color, guys. Beautiful. I love this one. And again, one I don't have the name. I have used this lipstick a lot, but I guess it's Swiss Beauty. This is what I think, but I'm not sure. Like this is like the name has completely wiped off from the lipstick. It's a pink shiny kind of lipstick. I love glitters. So this is what the lipstick is. This is also a beautiful shade. So these are my 4 go-to lipsticks that I absolutely loved for 2020. Although these 4 lipstick will not do justice to the lipsticks. So this is it, guys. Let me know what do you think about this video. If you like the makeup products and if any of these products are your favorite products, let me know. Smash the like button, subscribe to my channel. I'm so close to coming to 1000 subscribers. So yes, subscribe to my channel and I will see you in my next one. Bye. Take care.